Hello children, today we shall try to understand about the factors affecting supply. The first one is price. The selling price of a product can affect the supply. If the price increases, then the profitability of the businessman will also increase. So as a result, the businessman will increase the supply. So we can say a rise in price is equal to increase in supply. Second, cost of production. If the cost of production increases, it means the product produced by the businessman is costly. If it is costly, people won't buy that product, and if people don't buy that product, then he has to decrease the supply. There can be another thought also. If the cost of production increases, then the selling price will increase. If the selling price increases, then people will not buy. So basically, businessmen cannot increase the selling price. So in that condition, businessmen will avoid higher quantity of production. So there will be less production. So automatically supply will also be less. Technology. Technology, we all know, it is the new changes that is taking place in the production techniques. Because of change in technology, we can create large scale production and in less time. We can also decrease the cost of production, and ultimately when the cost of production decreases, the profitability increases. So with high profitability, it is always advisable for the businessman to increase the supply. Then we have future expectation regarding the prices. If the businessman thinks that in future the prices are going to increase, that is rise, then today he will keep the goods as stock, so that the stock of today can be sold in the market tomorrow when the prices are increasing. So that is why he can earn more profit. Fifth is favorable condition. These favorable conditions can be of any type. Maybe government is giving some special discounts, grants, or maybe some exemptions in the taxes, or maybe the geographical or natural weather condition is favorable to our production. Under that situation, the businessman will produce more quantity of goods and he will supply more quantity of goods in the markets. So these are basically the 5 factors affecting supply, which are also known as determinants of supply. Thank you.